Welcome to RTI Talks. New day, new episode, a new person on the seat. Today we have none other than Mr. Ripun Bansal with us, currently the convener for the sports and fitness in Meerut Roundtable 350. So Ripun bhai, how are you this morning?
All good, Nirbhay. Thanks for having me here.
Always a pleasure to talk to you. So Ripun bhai, जितना मुझे पता लगा, you are handling the sports and fitness part for the year in Meerut Roundtable. So tell us more about this vertical. भाई फिटनेस का तो आज की डेट में सभी को जो है ख्याल अपना होना चाहिए. सो कैसे आप लोग कर रहे हैं?
So, Nirbhay, fitness is a very important asset these days. As we all know, कितनी बीमारियां हम लोगों को सब कितने अर्ली एज में सब लोगों को आ जाती है. So fitness is a very important asset for Roundtable, and I being a fitness convener and a sports convener, I try to inculcate a habit of regular exercise in all our tablers and spread awareness among our community कि हम उसको किस तरीके से अपनी routine lifestyle में उसको ला सकते हैं. तो we as a Roundtable we try to incorporate many events throughout the year.
Okay.
जिसमें annual events, sports events हम लोग regular basis पे करते रहते हैं. So इसमें एक मेजरली एक इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट हम लोगों ने जैसे लास्ट ईयर किया था was a box cricket. तो उसमें it is box cricket is a very new initiative or new concept.
It is sounding very interesting. Can you elaborate on that?
So box cricket, as we all know कि बड़ा क्रिकेट में तो गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज ऑल थोड़ा सा फिजिकल स्पोर्ट ज़्यादा है, पर इन बॉक्स क्रिकेट एवरीबडी एज अ फैमिली कैन टेक पार्ट इन इट. तो लास्ट ईयर जो हमने बॉक्स क्रिकेट किया था उसमें गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज देयर वर अ मिक्स्ड टीम एंड इट वाज अ क्लोज्ड अरीना एंड इट वाज सच अ फैबुलस इवेंट. और देयर वर वी डिवाइडेड एवरीवन इनटू 4 टीम्स एंड वी पार्टिसिपेट. इट वाज अ सिंगल डे इवेंट in 4 to 5 hours. And everyone from boys to girls to children, everyone enjoyed that event. It was a huge success.
So I guess a great combination of entertainment and fitness or sports at the same time. दोनों चीजें आपने एक अपने इवेंट से cater कर ली उसके लिए.
Yes. So fitness without entertainment can become a little boring. So we have to keep both side by side.
Very nice, very nice. And apart from that, I guess blood donation drives, blood tests and हेल्थ चेकअप्स इस तरीके से भी जो है आप लोग प्लान करते रहते हैं.
Yes, taking care of our body is very important and regular health fitness checks and all. In our busy day schedules हम लोग सब भूल जाते हैं अपनी बॉडी के बारे में ध्यान रखना.
में सब
करेक्ट. So as a fitness convener we try कि इसमें हम लोग जितने भी हमारे एटलीस्ट टेबलर्स हैं उनके रेगुलर टेस्ट एंड ऑल वी कीप ऑन डूइंग इट एंड सो दैट अगर प्रिकॉशन इज बेटर देन क्योर. सो इस वजह से हम लोग उसके टेस्ट एंड ऑल वी ट्राई टू मेक एवरीवन इन लाइन विद द हेल्थ routines which we build up as a table.
Very nice. So fellowship भी taken care है, sports and fitness भी taken care है.
Correct.
So I guess overall एक all round development हो जाता है with the round table.
Correct.
Very nice. एक flagship event आपने पिछले साल करा था which is Walkathon 1.0 and I guess पूरे मेरठ के अंदर काफी उसका buzz हुआ था. There was a very good turnout and one of a kind event जो है वो देखने को मिला था. थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में आप elaborate करेंगे. कॉन्सेप्ट कैसे आया और कैसे बिल्डअप करा आप लोगों ने उस चीज को?
सो निर्भय फिटनेस से ही हमने उसको रिलेट किया कि फिटनेस को हम किस तरीके से कॉज में हम इनकॉर्पोरेट करें. एज यू नो कि प्रोजेक्ट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एसेट फॉर राउंड टेबल, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैसेट है. तो फॉर एज अ फंड रेजर वी इंट्रोड्यूस द कॉन्सेप्ट एंड वी वांटेड टू स्प्रेड द अवेयरनेस ऑफ फिटनेस अमंग आवर पीपल इन द कम्युनिटी. तो हमने दोनों अपने एजेंडास को ज्वाइन इन किया and we came up with this concept where we did a small round of 1 kilometer so that everyone from old to children to young can participate in that event. Yes. It was more sort of not, as you know कि marathon के लिए you need stamina and everyone cannot participate. So walkathon is a concept where everyone can be a part of that journey with us and to spread about fitness. तो हम लोग उसको last year we did it in Wheelers Club. And all the major dignitaries of Meerut were a part of that event and it was a huge success. There were registrations close to 300
people in the first edition itself.
People got up at 6 a.m. for just to do a 1 kilometer walk. It was a proud moment for all of us as Roundtable. It was our biggest event till what we had achieved that year and that's it.
And I guess वो बच्चों को जो साथ में इन्वॉल्व करते हैं that is a very good part. I mean, मेरी 3 साल की डॉटर was with me and she thoroughly enjoyed it. And जब बच्चे enjoy करते हैं then the parents का तो और easen up हो जाता है. So बहुत बढ़िया. So now I guess second edition भी इसका आ रहा है Walkathon 2.0. Tell us more about that. क्या expect करें इस बार?
Yes, so Walkathon 2.0 we are planning up on 1st of December.
Okay.
And this time it will be much more bigger, much more huge. We are trying to incorporate many Olympic athletes who are willing to join with us.
Very nice.
And this time we are targeting close to 500 people for registration.
That's a big number. Keeping in mind that Meerut is not a very big city. It's a
Yes, so this time the sponsorships, everything is on a grand scale.
Okay.
And there are many surprises aligned. And I'll tell you to highlight one thing, Nirbhay. This walkathon is not done by the tablers. It is done by their better halves, and it is something which I am personally very proud of, because हमारी better halves they are engaged with kids and all, and उनको एक ऐसा एक इतना बड़ा ये organize करने का एक मिलता है, and everyone comes together and it is a complete team effort which every girls put up, जो last year उन्होंने put up किया था, and they are again collaborated together, and I am sure that it will be one of the most highlighted things of Meerut Roundtable.
I guess this is one of the beautiful essence of Roundtable, wherein not only the men are involved but the women are equally involved.
Yes.
And जैसे आप बोल रहे हो Walkathon 2.0 में end to end they are taking care, so it is a very big and proud moment for everyone in Meerut, I will say. और Twinklers हमारे साथ में जो है associate हो ही जाएंगे उसके अंदर. So really looking forward to Walkathon 2.0. I request everyone to join us in big numbers. This is one of a unique event curated specially for Meerut, and I guess fit रहेगा Meerut तभी बढ़ेगा Meerut. That is the tagline.
By your medium and through your channel, I would like to request people of Meerut to follow our Instagram page, RTI Meerut. We'll be sharing our post, our registration links for Walkathon, and you people turn out in big numbers, support for a noble cause. Whatever registration amount you will be giving us, that will be directly going into the our project account, and we'll be building classrooms from that money which you
So
will
more or
be
less
getting
जो
us.
भी fundraise होने वाला है,
Yes.
वो सारा का सारा जो 3 classroom projects pipeline में है उसके development के अंदर सारा लगेगा.
Correct.
And I guess some deserving children will be able to get education
Absolutely.
from those classrooms.
Yes.
That's very nice. So I request everyone to come in big numbers and support the cause. Thank you, Ripon Bhai, for your time. Always a pleasure to talk to you. Looking forward for many more sessions. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.